the disaster left a long-lasting impact on the city and the surrounding community. The flood was not just a moment of chaos, but a turning point in how industrial safety and urban infrastructure would be approached moving forward. In the years that followed, Boston would make significant changes to both its building codes and its regulations regarding industrial facilities. The city's authorities, faced with public outrage and widespread fear, worked to ensure that such a tragedy would never happen again.